Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I know Dan had been looking at Tesla this week, and we actually had a pretty good move today on the chart. If I zoom in here today, you can see that we bumped up against this downward sloping trend line and did it on a pretty good pickup in volume. If I zoom out, you can see that this trend line dates all the way back from the high in January. Stock has really just kind of been consolidating here since January. I mean, that's, 6 months of essentially sideways chop on Tesla. Now, I don't know if you saw the new Model S Plaid, but it looks sweet and it's super fast. And I think this chart could also really get going if we break some pretty key weekly levels here. I'll zoom in again here on the weekly chart, and you can kind of see this 700 zone on the chart where we have resistance here, and we're just kind of under resistance on the weekly chart right there. So if we get above and stay above that 700 level and are able to do it on higher than average volume, I think this chart could potentially start a new weekly uptrend to the upside and maybe even retest that $900 high from up here back in January. So I really want you to keep an eye on that Tesla chart and maybe set an alert at around the 700 zone. You'll want to see it get above and stay above and do it on volume. Now, this is, of course, pending that Amazon's earnings don't crash the market, but we'll see. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.